Hi, I'm Dr. Sanchi.
Hi, my name is Dr. Omkar. I'm a first generation dentist and I have my own practice here in Mumbai.
Okay. So, hello, Dr. Omkar. Why do you think, why people expect us doctors to only work and not pursue any
Other profession.
other professions, like pursue hobbies like content creation and everything?
So according to my point of view, I have a Instagram page of almost 55,000 followers. And I don't post content that is strictly dentistry related. I post all of contents. But nowadays people want dentists or rather doctors to be more associated with medical profession and be professional about it. But sometimes you have to understand that there is a limit to everything and you have to go around, explore your things. And if you are comfortable in that, you can do that. And the second point that I want to make is there are engineers, there are other professions who can do engineering and pursue content creation as a hobby as well. And it pays good also. So why not we do that as well as a dentist?
But I feel people are not comfortable with us creating content because they think us creating content, it's like we not being professional.
Oh, it's not like that. When you come to a field like social media, you reach a lot of people. Usually, when you are doing clinical stuff, what you do is you tend to attend only with that patient that comes to your clinic, and you tend to make them aware about their diseases. But when there is a huge following, there is a lot of people involved. What you can do is you can just post content which makes them aware about their oral health, which makes them aware about their surroundings, how to take care of their oral health. And I think that is very inspiring in certain ways. It can be also manipulating, it can be also gaslighting sometimes, but most of the time is very profitable because a lot of people sitting at the comfort of their home get to know things about oral health, bad breath, diseases associated with oral health and hearts. So that is very informative according to for that where social media comes into existence.
And I think this starts from your family rather than other people. Your own family judges you for being certain way or being like creating content on social.
So me being a first generation dentist,
Uh,
my father always wanted, or always not wanted, but always imagined that I would be a perfect doctor, would have this perfect crisp shirt to the clinic, behave a certain way. But that is him because he has been taught like that for over years. Right now, we have to make them understand that this is also a part of profession. This is also something we can pursue. And I think this dental spotlight event has been highlighted in making sure that all the dental creators also get valued, also get recognized. So I'm kudos to Dental Spotlight, Dental Guard, and Medisteady Co. I'm really happy to be a part of this event. So, Dr. Sanchi, I want to know you being a dental intern, it is very difficult for you to manage everything with the postings and all the content creation. And all. How do you manage or balance your work life?
okay, the clinical hours are fixed, like college 9 to 5. But after that, when you get time, uh, like I make time for content, and I think it's not that hard. Like you can just give few hours of of
If you want to, you
exactly. If you want to, you would do anything to do that. So it just takes like few hours. So yeah, I think that is manageable. But sometimes there are a few saturation points, and when you want to make content, when you are like you have everything around you, like you have content in your mind, and you even have time. But sometimes I think वो जो ये आता है ना, sorry, uh,
there's a breaking point where you don't even get ideas, dots a day, and what not to do. So, people tend to tell me, and obviously, you would have also heard from people that if you wanted fame, you should have been an influencer and not a doctor. What is your take on this?
I think we doctors have a life too, and we should pursue like whatever hobbies we have. And fame is just a byproduct of all this. And I don't think this is good. Like,
But fame is good for our professions. These people don't understand.
exactly,
If people know me that I'm Dr. Omkar, they will come to my clinic, right?
exactly. So there's other side to this, but people don't understand all this, and yeah, it is hard sometimes.
but you have to be famous in order to reach more audience.
Exactly.
That is good.
Yeah.
And also, so I also wanted to ask you, if there are certain doctors, like when it comes to our profession, we are tend to believe that doctors should make certain kinds of reels, certain kinds of professional reels where
They just
they
expect us to post educational content.
yeah, that is also there, but sometimes we have to post it what we like also, right? So is it unprofessional for you to post something fashion related which you like, or funny content related to dentistry? Is it unprofessional according to you?
No, I don't think so. And I do get judged by people for posting fashion related content and even funny content. But I don't think that is unprofessional. That's just us pursuing what we like. We are choosing what we like. And yeah, I think that's it.
So basically you need to have balance with your work.
Exactly. And we have a life too, right?
Correct, we do have a life
Yeah.
like every other guy.
People should stop judging us and see us as a doctor. Like there's a human behind it.
Yes, exactly. And people, if I work in a market, people won't come to know that I'm a doctor unless and until I have that badge at me, right? So you cannot distinguish whether I'm a doctor or not, but you can distinguish whether you are a good person or not. Correct.
Yeah.
Okay. So what is your take on the upcoming generation of dentists who are trying to pursue dentistry as well as this content creation? What is your take on that?
So, Dr. Omdar, what message would you give to upcoming generations of doctors?
See, I am a first generation dentist and I have been here for a while now. I've been practicing for 5 years. I have my own practice for 1.5 years. So I know what to give to this world. I mean the dental world. So people who are right now passing out or just trying to pursue career in content creation, I would just say one thing, just post whatever you like. It's not like I ye post karu and then overthink about it and ye post karu and overthink about it.
There's no genre in content creation, I guess. Matlab, you just keep experimenting.
Yes, and then just figure out what works for you. Exactly. And also I have my own practice, so I am managing it poor. If you want to do it, you will do it. Yeah. You will not give excuses कि time नहीं है, ये नहीं है, वो नहीं है. I am managing content creation. I like my workouts, so I don't skip that also. I put my workouts in my content creation as well. I show how my life is. Like I do clinical things also. I do content creation related to gym also. I have a lot of brands approaching me also. So all these things turn in your favor only. So my message for creators who are coming out recently, passing out, I just want to tell them ki just be yourself. Just start yourself. Just be confident recording yourself and everything will come with time. Thank you.